Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Another day, another car with a flood, water, sunroof issue. Same issue again. We have to repeat it again. Okay, this is Infiniti 2010-11. You see there, water is there, and I believe also a sunroof issue like that Infiniti G37 last time. Here we took everything out. We took the battery out, and when we go in here, we found out water. See, we empty the place. I don't know what get affected. You see here, everything like water. Look here. Okay. So we need to dry this one out a little bit, and then we're gonna put our intelligent power control module. You see water soak into it. We go up all the way here. As you see it, hopefully it's not get affected badly, but we have no other choice. We're gonna put this back. We took it out. We're gonna dry this place. We're gonna put it in, and this car have full water issue, water intrusion. Look here, that's the body control module. We try to program the key, say no communication. It's the same thing before. You see here is water. Look here, my hand. You see water is still there, which is not gonna work. We're gonna empty. We're gonna vacuum them, right? Or the same way. We have to vacuum them, take the seat out the same way, right? Wow, we cannot program no keys without empty this car from this water. But this is a video number one, Infiniti 2010 SUV. You don't need to put the same thing before. Infiniti what? 4x4 home FX35. Hopefully everything is going to be okay. We have to take all this stuff out, the seat and everything. It's the same thing like what we did last time on the small car, the GX37 or something. No communication with the computer because of the water. I don't know what else get bad, but we have to dry this car out first. We're gonna come back into this, consider it fuse number one. Please, if you have any car like this, try to open the sunroof and clean the drainer. You don't need water get into your car and mess up the whole car. Thank you.